इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 3.2 बी ये सॉल्व करने वाले है। इसके क्वेश्चंस सारे क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन फार्मूला बेस्ड है। सो ये 7 फार्मूले है जिसपे सारे क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड है। सारे 7 फार्मूले आपको बाय हार्ट होना जरूरी है। सो इसलिए हम थोड़ा शॉर्ट रिवीजन लेते हैं। जैसे फार्मूला 1 दैट इज इंटीग्रल डी एक्स अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर 1/a tan इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स अपॉन ए प्लस सी। डी एक्स अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस ए स्क्वेयर 1/2a log ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए अपॉन एक्स प्लस सी। डी एक्स अपॉन ए स्क्वेयर माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर 1/2a log ऑफ ए प्लस एक्स अपॉन ए माइनस एक्स। डी एक्स अपॉन रूट ऑफ a square minus x square that is sin inverse of x upon a plus c dx upon root of x square plus a square log of x plus root of x square plus a square dx upon x square minus a square root of so it is log of x root of थोड़ा सिमिलरिटी है dx upon root of x square plus a square and dx upon root of x square minus a square। सो कंपेरेटिवली आपको याद रखने हैं दोनों फार्मूले। यहाँ पे x प्लस रूट ऑफ द सेम थिंग, यहाँ पे x प्लस लॉग ऑफ x प्लस रूट ऑफ द सेम थिंग एंड द लास्ट फार्मूला इज dx अपॉन x रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर 1/a सेक इनवर्स x अपॉन a प्लस c। एडिशनल फार्मूला इंटीग्रल fx dx इज 5x देन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x वी राइट इन डिनोमिनेटर। सो आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर्मूला सो दैट इन वेरी शॉर्ट वी कैन गेट द आंसर इफ यू यूज दिस। लिसन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 3.2 बी। सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 3। तो इसको आपको कंपेयर करना है ये फॉर्मूला से। वंस यू बाय हार्ट फॉर्मूला सो easily you can compare the question with that formula and you can solve। so इसलिए by heart होना जरूरी है, फॉर्मूले by heart होना जरूरी है। so dx upon x square minus a square ये फॉर्मूला है 1/2a log of x minus a upon x plus a। so we try to solve this by using this formula। it is we can take 4 from the denominator outside the integral dx upon x square minus 3/4। now it is of the form x square minus a square, ये a square मतलब √3/2 whole square, so that it is 1/4 integral dx upon x square minus √3/2 whole square। so exactly we use this formula dx upon x square minus a square। so what is that formula? 1/2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c। so we use this formula over here। it is 1/4 into 1/2a। so 1/2a, a is this √3/2, so 1/2a that is √3/2 log of x minus a that is x minus √3/2 upon x plus a that is √3/2 plus c। now this 2 is getting cancelled, so it is 1/4 √3 log of, simplify this 2x minus √3 upon 2x plus √3 plus constant of integration c। so once we know formula easily we can put in the formula and get the answer। we can do it in short, that is instead of taking 4 common over here ये आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2x square, so that we use this same formula, but instead of taking 4 outside the integral, we put this integral I is equal to dx upon 2x square minus root 3 square. अभी coefficient of x we put in the denominator, that is 1 upon 2 coefficient of x, then 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2a means here a is this x square minus a square. So a is what? Root 3. So 1 upon 2a, formula 1 by 2 root 3 log of x minus, that is x is 2x minus root 3 x plus a, that is 2x, in place of x there is 2x and plus c, so that you are getting 4 root 3. आपको 4 root 3 आया डिनोमिनेटर में, which we are getting here also log of 2x minus root 3 upon 2x plus root 3. या तो ऐसे कर सकते हैं या ऐसे. So this is what r or we are writing here. The next question we will do, second question, dx 25 minus 9x square. इसको हम इस फार्मूला से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, dx a square minus x square 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x. So या तो आप डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं 3x square लेके, या 9 we take common. So let us take dx 25 means 5 square and minus 3x whole square. Coefficient of x 3 है, so that we write first before using formula. हमको coefficient of x denominator में लिखना है, so that is 1 upon 3 coefficient of x, and then we use formula 1 upon 2a. So in place of a there is 5. So which we can write as 1 upon 2a, that is 5. Then log of a plus x. So a is this 5 plus x, x is 3x upon a minus x, which is 5 minus 3x, 5 minus 3x plus constant of integration c. This is 10 into 3, 30. 1 upon 30 log of 5 plus 3x upon 5 minus 3x. या तो यहाँ से आप 9 we take outside the integral, or this 1 upon 9 integral of dx upon 25 by 9 minus x square, and use this formula. A is our 5 by 3 now. So by using this formula and after simplification you will be getting the same answer, that is 5 plus 3x upon 5 minus 3x. So you will be getting the same answer. Question number 3, dx upon 7 plus 2x square. ये फॉर्म में है dx upon x square plus a square. A square plus x square है x square plus a square, one and the same thing. So we will compare this question with dx upon x square plus a square, whose integration is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. So you are using this formula 1 by 2 integral dx upon, here it is x square plus 7 by 2. Now if we compare with this, our a is what? Root 7 by 2. 1 upon 2 integral dx upon x square plus square root of 7 by 2 whole square. Formula is 1 upon a tan inverse. So 1 by a means what? 1 upon 2. 1 by a means what? Root 2 by 7. 1 by tan inverse of x upon, so x upon root 7 by 2 plus c. which after simplification it is integral I is equal to this one root 2 will get cancelled, and here it is root 2 and root 7, it is equal to root of 14 tan inverse of root 2x upon root 7 plus c. So 1 upon root 14 tan inverse of root 2x upon root 7 plus constant of integration c, by using that formula. Question number 4, integral dx upon root 3 x square plus 8. We will compare this formula, that is dx upon root of x square plus a square log of x plus root of x square plus a square. तो ये x square plus a square फॉर्म में है and square root of that. So first of all, make coefficient of x square 1 so that root 3 will take common. यहाँ से आप 1 by root 3 will take outside the integral dx upon square root of x square plus 8 by 3. Inside the square root 3 take common, so outside it will be 1 by root 3. Then it is of the form dx upon x square plus a square. So we use formula 1 by root 3 log of x plus root of x plus root of x square plus a square 8 by 3. So log of x plus root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square is this plus c. So it is formula is readily available. So in the proper formula, see in the same format it is there, x square plus a square, x square plus a square, as it is we wrote. The next integral, that is question number 5. We do question number 5, integral dx upon root of 11 minus 4x square. So root of 11 minus 4x square. We can compare this with formula integral dx upon root of a square minus x square. So formula for this is sine inverse of x upon a. Sine inverse of x upon a. So either we take this 4 outside the square root, or we can use formula integral I is equal to dx upon root of 11 minus 2x whole square. And now coefficient of x we first write in the denominator. So coefficient of x first we write in the denominator and use the formula. So here coefficient of x is what? 2. So that we can write 1 by 2 integral I is equal to into formula is this sine inverse of x upon a. In place of a there is root of 11. See, you can put in the proper form dx upon square root of 11 square minus 2x whole square. So coefficient of x is 2, so that we write in the denominator 1 by 2 and use formula. ये formula हमको use करना है sin inverse of x. X is 2x upon a. A is root 11 plus c. Yeah, this 4 we take outside the integral sign, that is root 4, which will be 1 upon 2, and then it will be 11 upon 4. So 11 upon 4 minus x square. So 11 upon 4 minus x square, again it is in this form a square minus x square. So sin inverse of x upon root 11 by 2, or after simplification you will be getting this. Question number 6, dx upon root of 2x square minus 5. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर इस फार्मूला से हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस टू मेक कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर 1. तो यहाँ से √2 वी विल टेक आउटसाइड द इंटीग्रल साइन 1/√2 इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर minus 5/2. Taking 2 common from here, x square minus 5/2, and outside this square root it will be 1/√2. It is of the form x square minus a square, that means root of 5/2 square. So it is 1/√2 integral dx upon root of x square minus root of 5/2 square. That is 5/2. Log of x, so log of x plus root of same as it is, means instead of writing this we can write this. So it will be I is equal to 1/√2 log of x plus root of x square minus 5/2 and plus constant of integration c. Just we are using formula, we will put in the proper form and use formula enough. The next question, that is question number 7. We will do question number 7. Integral root of 9 plus x upon 9 minus x dx. So 9 plus x minus upon 9 minus x. So जितने आप 7 फॉर्मूले देखे उसमें से कोई भी एप्लीकेबल नहीं लग रहा है इधर. सो जस्ट लिटिल सिंप्लीफिकेशन आपको करना है, इसके बाद आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं वो 7 फार्मूले में से किसी एक फार्मूला से. यहाँ पे 9 minus x और 9 plus x. So if you multiply numerator and denominator by 9 plus x, so it gives us integral of root of 9 plus x multiply numerator and denominator. Root of 9 plus x. Here root of 9 minus x into root of 9 plus x dx. So that numerator will become x plus 9 square root निकल जाएगा and the denominator will become root of 9 into 9 a plus b a minus b a square minus b square 81 minus x square into dx. इसको हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, that is 9 integral 9 into integral dx upon root of 81 minus x square plus integral x dx upon square root of 81 minus x square. Derivative of 81 minus x square, that is minus 2x. यहाँ पे x है, so we can multiply by minus 2 and divide by minus 2. But ये proper form में dx upon a square minus x square whose integration is sine inverse of x upon a. So that integral I is equal to 9 integral dx upon square root of 9 square minus x square plus या तो माइनस करो आप minus 1/2 into minus 2x, because derivative of 81 minus x square, that is minus 2x. So यहाँ पे minus 2x चाहिए यहाँ पे. So therefore we multiply and divide by minus 2x minus 2 dx upon root of 81 minus x square. Integration of this is sine inverse of x upon a, that is x upon 9 minus 1/2. Now if you put t is equal to, see if you put t is equal to 81 minus x square then dt by dx is equal to minus 2x and dt will be equals to minus 2x into dx. So that this will be dt upon square root of t. Now integral dx upon root x is 2 root x. So that this is 9 sine inverse of x upon 9 minus 1 by 2 and into 2 root t plus c. And our t is equal to 81 minus x square. So 9 sine inverse of x upon 9. This 2 is getting cancelled. Minus root of t. T is 81 minus x square plus constant of integration c. So this is the answer of question number 7. Little simplification is there which we try to understand. This is 9 minus x, 9 plus x. If we multiply by 9 plus x, numerator and denominator, it gives in the form a square minus x square. So that we can use formula for a square minus x square root of sine inverse of x upon a. Remaining questions we do in the next video. Thank you for watching.